Drafting septic tanks. Prepare the following tools and materials before starting the drafting process. From the sanitary and drainage layout, acquire the measurements of the septic tank. In this video, the septic tank is measured at 1.5 by 2 meters. From the Layer Properties Manager, select the line layer. Using the Rectangle command, create the septic tank outline using the dimensions provided. Using the Offset command, offset the septic outline by 0.1 meters. The septic tank layout has 3 chambers. Select the septic tank layout and use the Explode command. Indicate 1.25 meters on the measurement. Drag the vertical line inwards to create a division. On the smaller chamber, create a line using the Line command to divide it into 2. Using the Offset command, offset the horizontal line by 0.05 meters, and drag the line downwards and upwards. Trim unnecessary lines using the Trim command. Using the Rectangle command, create a manhole. Set the dimension at 0.4 by 0.4. Using the CO command, copy the manhole on the other 2 chambers. Indicate the reinforcement of the manhole by using the Offset command. Indicate 0.04 meters on the dimensions. Using the Line command, create vertical and horizontal intersecting lines on the manhole. Change the layer properties of the reinforcements in the Layer Properties Manager. For the whole septic tank, indicate the reinforcements using the Line command and offset it across the whole flooring. Trim all unnecessary lines. Change the layer properties of the reinforcements in the Layer Properties Manager. Repeat for other reinforcements. Using the Line command, project construction lines for the elevation. Using the Line command, indicate the base of the septic tank. Trim unnecessary lines. Offset the base line by 1.5 meters to create the height of the septic tank. Using the Line command, project construction lines for the chambers. Copy the lines and align it on the chambers. Trim unnecessary lines. Offset the flooring by 0.1. Trim unnecessary lines. Using the Stretch command, stretch the base upwards to create an incline. Mirror this on the opposite chamber wall. Offset the top part of the septic tank by 0.1 meters. Trim unnecessary lines. Project construction lines for the manhole. Trim unnecessary lines. Stretch the manhole cover by 0.05 to create an incline. Trim unnecessary lines. Copy the lines to create a removable manhole. Connect the diagonal lines using the Line command. Using the Line command, specify the indent on the manhole cover. Copy the manhole cover and opening to the smaller chamber using the CO command. Trim unnecessary lines. Using the Line command, indicate the inlet. Create an RC using the RC command to create the pipe. Trim unnecessary lines. Copy the drafted pipe and place it other identified spaces. Using the Line command, indicate the water level. Using the Line command, add additional lines for the wall reinforcements. Using the Fillet command, connect the reinforcements. Change the layer properties of the reinforcements in the Layer Properties Manager. Trim unnecessary lines. Using the Donut command, indicate the location of horizontal reinforcements with a 0.01 diameter. Copy this throughout the flooring and wall. Add dimensions using the Annotate ribbon. Label the drawing, annotate, and indicate other fixtures in accordance with the legend. You may copy other text and edit it using the mt-edit command or use the mt command. Save your drawing.